What's up, Giles here from Giles FBA, and today I'm going to do a little walkthrough on when you are buying a lead, either from our Discord, which will be linked down below, or if you are sourcing and come across a lead and you're thinking about buying it. I'm going to show you guys how to best utilize, let's say, Rakuten, Top Cash, discounts, all that good stuff. And also, if you don't know how to source or you're not very good at sourcing, we have posted many videos of reverse sourcing with SellerAmp, manual sourcing, and those will be linked below as well, so make sure to check those out. But for now, I'm going to show you a reference from our Discord. We posted this a few weeks ago, and yeah, basically let's just get right into it. Product link, Amazon link. Close out those tabs. So first things first, say you come across this lead sourcing, like I said, from the Discord. We're going to look over here. And you're going to look over here, $9.99. Okay, that's already a pretty good price. But we need to get it under $8. There's no buy box, as we can see. Sale price $16.48. We're going to scroll down, make sure that's accurate. $16.30 is the lowest FBM. $16.48 is the lowest FBA. That's where it pulled that. So we're going to change this already to $16.30, even though we will be FBA days. Just so that's up to date. We're going to scroll down to our Keep It chart. And you can see this Keep It chart is kind of weird. First off, this listing's only been active for 52 days. And then second off, you can see all these dips in new. So new is whenever a new seller comes on, and you can see that there, and also these little pink right here, that's buy box by Amazon. So that's when the Amazon gets on the listing, which Amazon has not been on the listing since April 8th, which is 4 days ago. And when they are on this listing, it sells out almost instantly, as you can see there. I mean, here it was in stock a little longer, here. So we're not really worried about Amazon here, but it is kind of weird to see the purples keep dropping to $9.99. But they do come right back up, it seems, to $16.50-ish. So that's good to see. And then also, Keepa just added a monthly sold down here that you can turn on and off. Really cool feature they added. You can see, okay, earlier in the month it was only selling 100 times a month, and now towards later in the month, it's up to 800 monthly sold, which is crazy. And SellerAmp has 500 monthly sold. I always go off of Keepa rather than SellerAmp. So 800 monthly sold, and then it dips down to what, 700? Yeah, 700 monthly sold, but you can see that right there. You can see the offers have steady climbing up, which normally isn't a good thing, but it doesn't matter much because the sales are going up as well. So that's not a bad thing at all. So that's kind of the Keepa chart. We do have more videos going more in depth for Keepa as well, if you want to check out our other videos for that as well. So let's go back to Walgreens. Let's see if shipping's in stock. Shipping is in stock. Ship home free for $35 plus order. So we'll be sure to do that. And then it has a buy one, get one 25% off. So with Walgreens, they do a lot of buy one, get one's free, buy one, get one 50% off, and here, buy one, get one 25% off. So Walgreens is great to source a lot of health, medicine, all that good stuff. And also, buy three, earn $5 Walgreens cash rewards. I don't have a Walgreens account, but if you do, you can get that as well. So if I were to come across this, I would probably do a test order of 10 real quick. So let's add 10 to the cart. And the reason I do 10, especially if you're a new seller or if you're working with limited capital, you want to go wide rather than deep. So say this was my first ever product I'm buying. I don't want to say I have $1,500 or $2,500 to work with. I don't want to put it all into this one product, because if the price drops, say the price drops to $10 or whatever, we could be losing our butt on it. So we need to make sure to diversify and get multiple different products, multiple different SKUs, and that will eliminate losing all our capital on one bad buy. So here we go. I'm gonna remove this just so I can show you. If that doesn't come up right there, We got the 5 items, 25% off. Okay, we're looking at $87.40. Install the honey extension, which you don't have it. We'll once again have it linked in the description in the partnerships area, so check that out. We're gonna hit apply coupons and activate rewards. So we're gonna let honey do its thing. Anytime you go to check out any product, always run honey. There might be some hidden coupons that you don't see. In this case, we already know there is a 25 or 20% off or whatever, which we will see honey will pull. But this is just an example product to always run honey. So here we go. And also they have cashback as well. I'm going to show you some other cashback options. This takes just a minute. Should be almost done. Here we go. You're saving $18, blah, blah, blah. Sale 20, $18 off. Perfect. So now we got this down to this price. Almost $70 for 10. So from here, we're thinking, okay, this is kind of all the discounts we can get, unless we had like a Walgreens card, Walgreens account, whatever, for that extra $5. So here, we're going to pull up the calc. So we have 9 in the cart, 69, and divide that by 10. We're paying $6.99 per unit. Let's copy that. Let's bring it over here. And we already fixed the sale price. Sale price $16.30. Cost price $6.99. So $2.68 profit per unit. 38% ROI. That's without any prep fees. If I were to buy this, I have a prep fee, so I'd add that in. If you have a prep fee, you would obviously add that in as well. So after that, before we check out, you want to have you want to have Rakuten and Top Cash up here available to go. Just from a quick glance, you can see Rakuten is 2% cash back, which is all right. But then we go over to Top Cash cashback, and it's 5% cashback. So we're going to go ahead and activate Top Cash cashback. If you don't have Rakuten, don't have Top Cash, go get them right now below. There should be like a referral. I forget exactly what it is, but once you spend 30, you get 30 back or something. So go below and go download those. You will be using both of those a lot. So this is activated. Sometimes it'll kick you back to the home page. So go back to your cart. Make sure this is good to go. And we would simply proceed with the checkout and check out our order right here. And another cool feature here with our test buy, we can scroll down to seller amp, quantity. We're just getting 10 for now. So right here would be total cost $69.90, which is our total cost. Sale price $163 if we sold at this price right here. Total profit almost $27. This is not including the 5% Top Cash cashback as well. So I don't add that into profit. That's kind of just extra on top, little cherry on top type of thing. So, and also if you aren't familiar with Rakuten or Top Cash, in between each order, say you wanted to loop this from Walgreens, say you wanted 5, 10, 15 orders from Walgreens, you would want to activate Top Cash, in this instance, Top Cash, every time you check out. Sometimes if you don't activate it every time you check out, it will not credit you for the purchase. So just make sure you're doing that so you're not missing out on Top Cash cashback. And yeah, I mean, Michael, if you guys know Michael, he whenever he was a newer seller, he would always forget to activate Rakuten and Top Cash cashback, and he probably missed out on a lot of money, even if it's 1% of a $70 order. I mean, it stacks up quick, especially when you're spending thousands and tens of thousands of dollars a month. So yeah, I mean, this was a basic little rundown of what to do when you're checking out an Amazon FBA online arbitrage product, and basically the best way to make a wider range in your profit margins. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and catch you guys in the next one.